Hello, welcome to another class with me. My name is Ming. Today we're going to look at this particular learning target. How can I solve a homogeneous differential equation? Homogeneous differential equation deals with the substitution of this particular variable v equal to y over x. We're going to look at an example. Here's an example. Usually the substitution is given to us. So the first step is to rewrite v as y is equal to xv, where now we're going to use implicit differentiation to obtain y dash is equal to dx over dx, v plus v, x dv dx. So basically we are using product rule in this implicit differentiation, x dv dx. Therefore, now y dash become v plus x dv dx. And we call that equation number 1. Now we look at the given equations. So the given differential equation is this. We're going to divide both sides by x squared. So divide both sides by x squared to obtain dy dx equal to 5 plus y over x. And right now, call this equation number 2. All right, replace or substitute dy dx by 1 to obtain v plus x dv dx is equal to 5 plus y over x is v. And v is on both sides, so that can be cancelled out. So we're left with x dv dx equal to 5. This can be rewritten as dv 5 over x dx. And you can see this is we can use integration by separation of variables. So we use integrate both sides. All right. Use separation of variables to obtain v equal to 5 natural log of x plus constant. In this case, I'm going to write natural log of a constant c because this is still a constant. By doing so, I can combine them together. So this will become natural log of x to the power of 5, all right, plus natural log of c, and v is y over x. So y itself is natural log of cx to the power of 5, and then here is divided by x, so y itself is x natural log of cx to the power of 5. And that's the answer. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.